About this item packing listing: 1x stapler, 1x staple remover, 1000x staples, 1x tape holder, 1x pen holder, 1x pen, 1 scissors, 1x box of binder clips, 1x phone holder, ruler, 1x transparent glue and a box of non-sticky notes. This gold office supplies set can meet your needs in daily life and work, keeping your desk or desk drawer organized. Size: stapler, 6.2 x 1.3 x 2.3 inch, tape dispenser, 4.7 x 2.5 x 1.3 inch, staple remover, 2.3 x 1.5 x 0.6 inch, scissor, 5.8 x 2.4 inch, pen, 5.5 inch, pen holder, 4x 3.1 inch, phone holder, 2.9 x 3.9 inch, ruler, 6 inch, non-sticky notes, 3.5 x 3.5 inch. Premium material, desktop accessory kit made of high-quality acrylic material, which is reliable, clear, and bright. It is smooth and comfortable to touch, not easy to break or deform, durable, elegant and beautiful.